Hello students, this video lesson deals with mathematics class 10 exercise 6.3. So we are at sum number 7. Now in figure altitudes AD and CE. So this is AD here and this is CE. So AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. So these two altitudes, they are intersecting at point P. Show that triangle AEP, AE and P. So this triangle is similar to CDP, one. Triangle ABD, ABD. So this is the triangle. This is the one. Is similar to CBE. So CBE. So you have to show it. Then triangle AEP, AEP. So this is the triangle AEP. Similar to ADB, ADB here. And lastly, triangle PDC, PDC. This is a small triangle here. Is similar to BEC. So B, E and C. So students, as you are aware of, for such conditions, there are two parameters. One, that there should be all angles similar, that is all the three angles, they should have equivalent angles. Or secondly, that the sides should be in the ratio. So if you see here in the first this sum, what we find here, it is given to us. Now if you see here, what is given to us, now angle D is equal to 90 degree. So this is given. So angle D is 90. So angle D, this is angle D here, 90, and this is angle E. So angle E here is also 90. So we have to prove that AEP. Now when I say AEP, so this is AEP. This is the AEP here, is similar to CDP. CD and P. So these two triangles you have to prove similar if you want to prove this. Now for this purpose, what we'll do, we'll prove that all the three angles, they are same or they are similar. So for this purpose, let me take it this way. Firstly, in these two triangles, first is APE. So we take APE here, A, P and E. So this is 90 degree, because if this is 90, this has to be 90. So this angle is 90. So 90 is equal to 90. So these two angles are same. Then 1 is equal to 2. Why 1 is equal to? Because they are vertically opposite angles. And as you are aware of, when two lines, they cross each other or cut each other, vertically opposite angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. It means this is 90, here this is 90. These two are equal. So this angle C has to be equal to A. Or even if two angles are same, it means that two triangles are similar. So very simple observation you can say here, that here we find that these two triangles are similar. So therefore it is AA similarity criterion. When we say AA similarity criterion, it means angle similarity, because if two angles are same, third has to be same. So it becomes automatically AA and A. We move to our next part in triangle ABD. So when we say ABD, so this is A, B and D, and CBE, this is C, B and E. So when you take these two triangles, again in ABD, this is 90, so this is 90. So the angle D is equal to E, 90. Now here what we find, angle B is common. If we take these two triangles, angle B is common in both. So if two are common, it means again we meet this criteria of AA, because if two angles are similar, then third is bound to be similar. So therefore triangle ABD is similar to CBE here. Then we go for our third part in triangle AEP. Now AEP and triangle ADB. AEP, this is A, P and E here, and ADB, this is APE and this is your if you want to go for ADB now, so APE is here. So this is ADB, this triangle. So these two triangles, one is quite big one and other is a smaller one. Here PAE is common. So PAE, so this angle is in both, in black shade also and red shade also. So this angle is common. Secondly, angle E, this is angle E is equal to angle D here. So these two angles are again, so there again condition becomes AA is equal to AA. So we can say AAA is equal to AAA. Therefore, these conditions met, and these two triangles are also similar. Then we last part, PDC and BEC. So PDC and BEC. If you take PDC here, let's take PDC. So this is, let me just take it this way. PDC. So PD and C. So this is PDC, and BEC. This is BEC. Let us take BEC in a different. This is BEC here. So these two triangles are there. So in these two triangles, firstly, PCD is equal to BCE. PCD, which is PCD? PCD is equal to BCE. BCE, because this is PCD, this is PCD. Remember, always center is the point which angle denotes, is equal to BCE. So this is BCE. So basically, their angle is same. So angle, this one is the same one here. And then again, here we find angle D is here, and here is angle E. So these two again meet the criteria. So A is equal to A. So it becomes your again a similarity condition here. So that is how all these four are equal. Now what you should do, you may just pause this video for a while and note down all these for your exam purpose. Move to question number 8. Now question number 8, let's go ahead. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to CFB. Now in this question, students, what we find, ABCD is a parallelogram. So if ABCD is a parallelogram, it means AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. And then another condition which is given is that AD is extended up to E. So it goes up to this point here. Now what happens, let's say this, we take these two opposite sides, BC and AD. So let's say AD is parallel to BC. So AD is parallel to BC, or AD is extended up to E point. So in place of AD here, we can always write AE. So we can say here that AE is parallel to BC. It amounts to same thing because it is extension. And BE is transversal. So this is BE is transversal. So these are the alternate angles, alternate interior angles. So they have to be equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 here. So 1 is equal to 2. And then angle 3 and 4. So this is angle 3 here and this is angle 4. So they are the opposite angles of a parallelogram which got to be equal. So 3 is equal to 4. So because they are opposite angles of parallelogram. Now when we take this triangle ABE, so this is A, B and E. So this triangle is A, B, E. So this is a triangle taken over here. We will take this triangle ABE, the shaded portion, and CFB and CFB. So I just change the color for your convenience. CFB. So this is CFB here. So what we find here, angle 2 is equal to angle 1. So this was angle 1, this was angle 2. So they are just, we have proved that they are same, they are equal, proved. And angle 4 is equal to angle 3, because again in the parallelogram we have proved here this condition. So we can take these two conditions here like this. So if we take 1 is equal to 2, so two angles are similar. We take 3 is equal to 4, so it means these two are same, so condition is met, that is A, similarity criterion is met. So therefore we can say that these two triangles, that is ABE and CFB, they are similar. So please note down this very carefully before starting with the next question. You can always pause the video for a while and do the needful. Remember here, you have to write here is, as I have just written over here, it was ADE. So in place of AD, we can always write, though it is should be AD parallel to BC, or in inference you can write AD parallel to, correction, AE parallel to BC. So you can write like this. Okay, then we move to our next question, question number 9. Now this question states, as given on the website, in figure ABC and AMP, correction, in figure ABC and AMP are two right triangles. ABC, let's see which is ABC, A, B and C. So this is right angle 90 degree. And AMP, AM and P. So this is again 90 degree. Prove that triangle ABC and AMP, they are similar. First condition. And secondly, CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP. So very simple. Before really starting this, remember these are two perpendiculars given to you, PM and BC. So this condition is nothing but perpendicular over perpendicular. And another side is CA. So CA means this is CA and this is MP. This is MP here. Correction, CA and PA. This is CA and this is PA. So they are, as you are aware of, base, perpendicular, and third condition is hypotenuse. So again given is hypotenuse. So let us start this question. Next question. So now in this question, what we find here, students, angle B is equal to 90 degree, as you have seen just. This is angle B here. So B is equal to, this is 90 degree, and angle M is again 90. So these two are 90. And then so MP, this is MP here, and this is CB. They got to be perpendiculars. Then we have to prove that, firstly we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. ABC, so this is A, B and C is similar to A, M and P. So this is A, M, P, this is A, B and C. So you have to prove this. Second condition we have to prove is that CA, this is CA by PA, this is PA of second triangle, is equal to BC, this is BC perpendicular, divided by perpendicular of the other triangle, that is MP here, M and this is MP. So now how to start with, in triangle ABC and AMP. So let us shade for our purpose ABC. So when we say ABC, this is your, this triangle is ABC. So I just give it blue shade here. And then the second is AMP. So this is AMP. So firstly BAC and MAP. If you see BAC, this angle is BAC, and MAP and MAP. So this is common in both the triangles. So we can say that since this angle is common, so simply write BAC angle is equal to angle MAP. And second thing is, second criteria, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So again, they are right angles. So we meet this criteria of AA similarity. So hence these two triangles are similar. So once these two triangles are similar, it means if they are similar, then side upon side is equal to side upon side. So side, if we take two altitudes or the perpendiculars, so we can take BC by MP is equal to the other sides CA by AP, or even all the three sides, they got to be same as you are aware of. So side upon side, but only two are asked, so we go with only two. So this is how you can do this part also. Now again, you note down very carefully. So the next question will be starting in our next video.